Dive into the enchanting world of Santa Claus, a symbol of joy and generosity. Here are 10 fascinating facts about this beloved Christmas icon. 1. St. Nicholas inspiration. Santa Claus was inspired by St. Nicholas of Myra, a 4th century bishop known for secret gift-giving. 2. Coca-Cola's role. Coca-Cola helped shape Santa's modern red and white image in the 1930s through their advertisements. 3. Around the world. Santa goes by many names globally, including Kris Kringle, Father Christmas, and Sinterklaas. 4. Magical postal code. In Canada, Santa has his own postal code, H0H0H0, where children's letters are answered. 5. Sleigh velocity. To deliver gifts in one night, Santa's sleigh must travel faster than a jet plane, over 650 miles per second. 6. Reindeer power. Originally, Santa's sleigh was said to be pulled by 8 reindeer, with Rudolph added later due to a popular song. 7. NORAD Santa tracker. Every Christmas Eve, NORAD tracks Santa's flight from the North Pole, a tradition since 1955. 8. Naughty or nice. The idea of Santa checking his list twice to see who's naughty or nice has been a moral tale for centuries. 9. North Pole headquarters. Legend places Santa's workshop at the North Pole, where he lives with Mrs. Claus and his elves. 10. Record-breaking gatherings. The world record for the largest gathering of Santas is held by an event in India, with over 18,000 participants.